Will future of learners. We express our sincere thanks to our superior, Sister Felician, for your love and concern. Thank you, Sister.
If niceness is your way, happiness can never be away. We take immense pleasure in thanking our principal, Sister Ramalore, for awakening the desire and wonders of young generations and sharpening the educational agenda. Dear sister, your action inspires others and you explore the possibilities and help us to reach new horizon. Thank you, dear sister. A special thanks to Reverend Fathers and Sisters for spending your valuable time with us. Thank you.
We are extremely thankful to all our dignitaries, special invitees, friends and all our well-wishers for your silent witness and sense of appreciation.
A teacher's purpose is not to create a student of his own image, but to develop a student who can create his own image. With deep reverence and gratitude, we would like to thank our facilitators for making us what we are today. We place on record the contribution and effort made by them. Thank you, dear teachers. Your impact on us is everlasting.
Parents are the stars that guide us. To their love and care they hide us. It pains when they are far away, but it's in your thoughts always. With immense pleasure, we thank our PTA presidents who are always with us with their innovative thoughts and support for the upliftment of our institution. We also thank our parents for being key players in our success story.
With grateful hearts, we collect the valuable service rendered by Child Jesus School staff. Thank you for being a part of this celebration and the timely help.
A word of appreciation to the sound system, excellent stage arrangement, settings and all our photographers.
The essence of the fruit is always tasted at last, and we believe last will be the best ever. Finally, we thank the blooming buds of Child Jesus Matriculation School for their cute performance through various programs. You are the central focus of not only today's program, but every moment of your stay in this temple of learning.
Gratitude costs nothing, but it is a big investment in future. Once again, we renew our gratitude and spread the fragrance of love.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, friends, for your words of thanks.
The will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach our potential. These are the keys to unlock the doors of personal excellence. Child Jesus Matriculation High Secondary School always endorses good talents, chalks out a roadmap for the achievers. We are honored and encouraged. See you all in 2017. It's bye from Gifty,
Shweta,
Abhita,
Marshlin.
may we stand up and raise our hearts with pride and join the chorus for the national anthem.
Thank you and good night.